If you don't like taking heavy medication for your ADHD, listen to me. These are all the supplements I take on a daily basis to deal with my ADHD, my mood swings, my lack of energy, focus, and even PMDD that you can get if you have ADHD. A lot of you are not comfortable taking stimulants and heavy medication, and I get it. I'm right there with you. I'm more of a holistic type of person. So I decided to provide it for you so that you can use supplements and see, just like me, how much it can actually help you. Now, something that I don't like is taking pills with plastic around them. First of all, swallowing them is hard for me. I never get used to it. And second of all, it's still plastic. You have to drink all that water so that it dissolves. And how many plastic pills can you take a day before it's like just weird to consume that much plastic, right? So instead of taking a bunch of pills that are supplement daily, we have gummies for you, and we also have oral strips. You put one on your tongue and it just dissolves. And we have some pills. So these are the Get Some Sleep gummies and Get Some Sleep oral strips. Chamomile, lavender extract, valerian root, hibiscus, and just a tiny bit of melatonin. See, tiny bit is key. People with ADHD have a hard time regulating their sleep. They don't go to sleep on time, and a lot of the times they have a hard time falling asleep because of their overactive mind. So melatonin is actually great for you because it actually makes you sleepy, but you don't want to take too much because then you have weird dreams and all. So this is great because everything inside this will calm you down, and just a tiny bit of melatonin will make you sleepy enough to actually fall asleep. You can have the strips or you can have the gummies. And I designed these myself. They're so cute. Then you have the Get Shit Done oral strips. If you're one of those ADHD people who takes 17 cups of coffee a day, it's time to stop. If you want to take a break from that relationship, take one of these oral strips. So this has some caffeine in it, okay, without you having to reach for that taste and, kind of breaking off that connection. But then it has L-theanine in it, which makes you focused and sharp without making you sleepy, and also calms down your nervous system. And then it has vitamin B12. It's amazing to give you some energy. We have these mood gummies. I've talked about this before. People don't talk about how much ADHD affects your mood because you can be so easily irritated. And this baby right here is a mushroom extract blend. And if you don't know at this point how mushrooms are amazing and do miracles for you, I don't know what to tell you, but this baby will help you with your mood with all the beauty of mushrooms within it. And this, my friend, is our More Focus pills. And let me tell you what this is. This is all the vitamins that you're lacking because you're not taking your vitamins or eating properly because you forget and you're preoccupied with better, more important things, which are not really important more than your health. So take this so that your brain can get what it needs to focus, and don't neglect your health, okay? All of these are on my website. Link is in the bio. Enjoy!